Welcome everyone. Multi-agent frameworks helps to create a complex workflow. There are a lot of multi-agent frameworks available like Graph, AutoGen, and LangGraph. In this session, we are going to see a key concept and simple demo on LangGraph. There are three key concepts. First one is a state. It acts as a central repository. Each node reads a value from the state and it is also updated once the node is executed. Next one is a node is a simple function. It invokes a large language model or it can act as a tools to retrieve the data from various data source. Next one is an edge. It controls the flow of the workflow. So it determines which node to be executed next. And there is a conditional edge. It determines which node to be executed based on the condition. We'll see the simple demo here. Um, Here we have three agents. One is for max and science. It's also math related questions and it's also science related questions. And the last one is writing the story based on the solution given by the previous nodes. And we have a conditional edge. It determines whether the given question is related to max or science. So based on the condition, it forwards to the next one. We'll start with importing necessary packages and we'll be using Olama to load model from local. Next one is a router chain. It classifies the question whether it is related to max or science and it gives the response in JSON format like that. We'll try max related one. So it finds as a max. Next is a max chain. So it it creates a solution for the given max problem. Like that, we have a science chain which gives the solution for the science related questions. Next one is an storage chain which creates a story based on the solution given by the science or max chain. Then we'll create a state which has a question, answer, and story. Next, we'll have the no. These are all the agents like max agent, science. Max agent it invokes the max chain, and science agent it invokes the science chain, and story it invokes the story chain. And each node it accesses the state and it gets the value from the state and it updates the same. So here max agent it is updating the answer. So this answer will be updated in the state like that. For a science agent it is updated as answer, so it is also updating the same answer. Then story agent it update the story, so here it will be updated in the state. Next one is an edge. It invokes the router chain. It sends the question and it it gets the value whether it is max or science. Based on that it moves to the next node. Next one we will create a graph. We'll have to describe the each node like for each max, science, and story, right? Next one is a conditional edge, like conditional entry point. This is the this is the starting node. So it goes to the route question agent, route question edge. It returns max or science. So based on that response, it moves to the next node. If it is a max, it will go to the max agent. If it is a science, it is going to the science agent. Once max max agent is executed, it goes to story writing. Same for science. And once the story write completed, it end. This is the flow of the application. Here we will invoke the workflow. Like we can describe the input and we'll send it as a stream. So it will logs when each node is completed, it logs the answer. We can also invoke, you can also use invoke. So we'll describe the input and we'll give the invoke method. It gives the final answer.